14 March 2021 Madhuban Avyakta Babdada Om Shanti Revise 18th November 1987. The Murli's title is The Way to Accumulate the Power of Silence is to have the stage of being introverted and to stay in solitude. Today, the Almighty Authority, Babdada, is looking at his Shakti army. His spiritual Shakti army is a unique army. It is called the spiritual army, but its special power is the power of silence, and it is a non-violent army that brings peace. So, today Babdada was looking at every child who is a bestower of peace and seeing to what extent each one has accumulated the power of silence. This power of silence is the special weapon of the spiritual army. All of you are those who are holding this weapon, but you are number wise. The power of silence will make the whole world peaceful from peaceless. It will transform not only human souls, but it will also transform the elements of nature. The power of silence now has to be known and experienced in an even deeper way. The more powerful you become with this power, the more you will continue to experience the importance and greatness of the power of silence. At present, you experience achieving success through the power of words and the power of facilities of service. But the power of silence is very much greater than the power of words and the physical facilities of service. The facilities of the power of silence are also elevated, just as you use pictures, projectors, and videos as facilities for doing service through words. In the same way, the facilities of the power of silence are pure thoughts, good wishes, and the language of the eyes. Just as you gave the introduction of the Father and the creation through the language of words, in the same way, on the basis of the power of silence and with the language of the eyes, you can give an experience of the Father just as you show images through the projector. In the same way, you can clearly show the sparkling image of yourself and of the Father in the center of your forehead. Just as at present you give people an experience of the pilgrimage of remembrance through words, in the same way, with the power of silence, your face will automatically give the experience of the different stages of remembrance. Those who experience this will easily feel that at that time they are experiencing the Sid stage, or that they are experiencing the angelic stage, or they will automatically experience a variety of virtues from your powerful face. Just as through words you enable souls to have feelings of cooperation and love, in the same way, when you yourself have good wishes and are stable in the stage of love, whatever your feelings are, you will enable those same feelings to arise in them. Your good wishes will ignite their feelings just as a lamp ignites a lamp. In the same way, your powerful good wishes will easily make the most elevated feelings arise in others. Just as you now have all the physical tasks carried out with words, in the same way you can just as easily carry out the and enables others to carry out a physical task with the elevated method of the power of silence, that is, with the power of pure thoughts, just as the power of silence has the facilities of the telephone and wireless. In the same way, this pure thoughts will give you the experience of getting a task done by speaking directly, face to face, or as if speaking on the telephone or the wireless. These are the specialities of the power of silence. The power of silence is no less. However, because you use the power of words and physical facilities a lot more, you find that easy. You haven't yet experimented with the facilities of the power of silence, and this is why you do not have that experience. You find the other way easy and this one difficult. However, according to the transformation of time, you will definitely have to use the facilities of the power of silence. Therefore, O elevated souls, bestowers of peace, experience of the power of silence. Just as by practicing with words, you have become powerful in words. In the same way, continue to have more practice with the power of silence. As you progress further, you won't have time to serve with words or physical facilities. At such a time, the facilities of the power of silence will be necessary, because whatever is very powerful will also be extremely subtle. So, pure thoughts are more subtle than words, and this is why the impact of the subtle will be powerful. Even now, you experience this, where the power of words cannot carry out a task. You say, this one will not understand with words. He will only be transformed with pure feelings, where words cannot make a task successful. The experience of mercy and love with the facilities of the power of silence, pure thoughts, good wishes, and language of the eyes can accomplish a task. Even now, when someone who argues a lot comes, he would argue even more through words. Therefore, you make that one sit in remembrance and give him the experience of the power of silence. Do you not? If he then experiences peace for even a second by having remembrance, he will surrender his argumentative intellect through the experience of silence. So, continue to increase the experience of the power of silence. As yet, there is very little experience of this power of silence. The majority of you have only experienced a slight taste of the sweetness of the power of silence. O bestowers of peace, your devotees ask your non living images for peace more than anything else, because happiness is merged in peace. They only experience that for a short time. So Babdada was saying how many souls have the experience of the power of silence, how many of you souls speak about it, and how many souls experiment with it. For this, there is a need for you to be introverted and to stay in solitude. It is easy to be introverted. However, according to the time, there now needs to be a lot of practice of being introverted. Some children say that they don't have time to be in solitude, that they don't have time to experience the stage of introversion, because the activities of service and of the power of words have increased a lot. However, there is no need to find half an hour or an hour at a time for this. While in the midst of the activities of service, you can find that much time in between in which you can experience being in solitude. To be in solitude means to stabilize yourself in any one powerful stage. Stabilize yourself in the seed stage. Stabilize yourself in the stage of a lighthouse and a might house. That is, stabilize yourself in the experience of being one who gives light and might to the world. Through the angelic stage, give others the experience of the avyakta stage. If you concentrate on the stage for even a second or a minute, then the stage for even 1 minute can give you and others a lot of benefit. You just need to practice this. Now, who is there who would not have time for even a minute? When the system or traffic control started, some used to think, how is this possible? The amount of service activity is huge and you are always busy. However, since you kept the aim, it has become possible. That program is continuing, is it not? Do you have this program of traffic control at the centers, or do you sometimes miss traffic control and sometimes have it? This too is a system of the Brahman clan. It is a discipline, just as you consider other disciplines to be essential. In the same way, this too is necessary for self progress, for success in service, and for the atmosphere of the centers. So, by keeping the aim of having the practice of being introverted and in solitude with that deep love in your heart, find time to do this from time to time. Those who know the importance of this will automatically find time. If you don't give it that importance, you won't find the time. To stabilize your mind and intellect in a powerful stage is to be in solitude. You saw Sakhar Brahma Baba. The sign of his coming close to perfection was that while doing service, while listening to news, he used to go into solitude. You experienced this, did you not? He would understand the news of 1 hour in its essence in 5 minutes and would make the children happy and also give them the experience of his stage of introversion and solitude. The sign of perfection was that he experienced the stage of introversion and solitude while walking and moving around and while listening and doing things. So, are you not able to follow the Father? Does anyone have greater responsibility than Father Brahma had? Father Brahma never said that he was too busy. He became an example in front of the children. Now, according to the time, there is a need for this practice. Although you have all facilities for service, there is still a need for you to serve with the power of silence, because the power of silence is a power that gives an experience. Mostly with the power of words, the arrow only reaches the head, whereas the arrow of experience reaches the heart. So, according to the time, there will be the cry, give us an experience for just a second. Those who are tired of listening and speaking will come with the methods of the power of silence. You will be able to take them beyond with a glance. With your pure thoughts, you will be able to end the best thoughts of souls. With your pure feelings, you will enable the feelings of love for the Father to emerge. Only when you make those souls content with the power of silence will they sing praise in front of you, souls who are the living bestowers of peace. O bestowers of peace, O bestowers of peace. Then, by carrying this last sanskar with themselves, they will become devotee souls in the corporate and sing this praise in front of your non-living images. Baba will tell you at some other time about the importance of traffic control and also how necessary it is. However, you have to know the importance of the power of silence for yourself and use it for doing service. Do you understand? Today, Punjab has come. In Punjab, it is important to do service with the power of silence. With the power of silence, you can make those with a violent attitude non-violent. You saw at the time of the beginning of establishment how those who had a violent attitude were transformed in front of the spiritual power of silence. So, it is the power of silence that will quieten those with a violent attitude. They are just not ready to listen to words. When a wave of heat or cold is able to spread everywhere with the power of nature, then can the wave of silence not be spread anywhere by the lords of natures? Instruments of silence can transform a very hot atmosphere into a cool atmosphere. So, can spiritual power not transform souls? So, what did those from Punjab hear? Let everyone feel the vibrations from someone with a treasure store of peace who is giving them rays of peace. It is Punjab that has been given time to do such service. You hold functions and exhibitions anyway, but experience this power and also give others this experience. Your minds need to have a concentrated and powerful attitude. The more powerful a lighthouse is, the more further it can send its light. So, this is the time for those from Punjab to experiment with this power. Do you understand? Acha. A group from Andhra Pradesh has also come. What will you do? You will quieten the storms. Many storms come in Andhra. In order for you to quieten the storms, you need the power of silence. Human souls are left wandering around in storms. So, to show the wandering souls the destination of peace is the special service of those from Andhra. When they end up wandering physically, it is first their minds that wander and then the bodies wander. When their minds are fixed, means stable, their intellects will work for the support of the body. If the mind is not stable, then the intellect doesn't work even for the physical facilities required for the body. Therefore, in order to put everyone's mind at rest, use this power. Both Punjab and Andhra have to be saved from storms. There they have storms of violence and the other place had storms from the ocean. There it is from the people and here it is from nature. However, there are storms in both places. Give the gift of silence to those who have storms. This gift will transform the storms. Acha, to all the elevated souls everywhere who are bestowers of peace, to all the great introverted souls everywhere, to the elevated Karma Yogi souls who always come into action in solitude, to the elevated Yogi souls who constantly experiment with the power of silence, Babdada's love, remembrance and Namaste. The spiritual children says Namaste and good morning to the spiritual father. Dadiji taking leave to go to Ranch Pipala, Gujarat Mela for one day. Special souls earn an income of multi-millions at every step. The corporations received from seniors becomes a canopy of protection and glorifies everything. Wherever you go, give each one special love and remembrance individually by name. On the path of devotion, children turn the beads of a rosary of names aloft. If the father starts this rosary now, it will become a big rosary. This is why wherever the children means special souls go, zeal and enthusiasm particularly increases. For special souls to go somewhere means to bring more specialities in service. It begins here, but you just go there and set foot on the ground there. So, to set foot there means to go around there. Here, you go around doing service, and there, on the path of devotion, they have given importance to setting foot on the ground. However, it all begins here. Even if you go somewhere for half an hour or 1 hour, everyone becomes happy. But also service takes place here. On the path of devotion, they experience happiness by your just setting foot there. All of this is being established here. All the foundations for the path of devotion are laid here. But it is just that the form of it changes. So all of those who have become instruments for doing service of the Mela, that is those who have become instruments for the service of celebrating a meeting. Babdada is celebrating a meeting with all of them before the Mela. This is the Mela of the father and the children, whereas that is a Mela of service. So, love and remembrance to everyone from the heart. Acha, in the world they have nightclubs, whereas here you have the Amrit Vela Club. To the daddies, all of you are members of the Amrit Vela Club. Everyone is happy to see you. Happiness is experienced when they see the special souls. Acha. At the time of farewell, love and remembrance on the day of the Sadguru means at 6 am. On the day of Jupiter, love, remembrance and namaste to all the first invaluable leaves of the tree from the Father, the Lord of the tree. There are definitely the omens of Jupiter over all the elevated souls. The omens of Rahu and all the other omens have now finished. Now there is constantly just one type of omens over all Brahman souls, the omens of Jupiter, the omens of the Lord of the tree. So, there are the omens of Jupiter, and it is also the day of Jupiter, means Thursday, and the Lord of the tree is celebrating a meeting with his original leaves. So, you have remembrance, and there will always be remembrance. You are constantly merged in love and will always be loving. Do you understand? Blessing. May you be a light and might house who does service with your blessed form by applying a powerful break. Explanation. In order to serve with your blessed form, you first of all need to have your thoughts and also the special practice of controlling your many thoughts in a second. Throughout the whole day, continue to move along in the waves of an ocean of pure thoughts, and whenever you want, go to the bottom of the ocean of pure thoughts and become the form of silence. For this, you need a powerful break, total control over your thoughts and all rights over your intellect and sanskars, for only then will you be able to become a light and might house and serve with your blessed form. Slogan: be economical with your thoughts, time and words, and you will be able to catch Bab Dada's help. Om Shanti